For this next song, we are going to sing about how Abraham had faith and trusted in God even though it is so hard to do so. You see, Abraham was very old, but God said he will have many, many children and the world will be blessed through Abraham. Seems impossible for an old man, right? But not with God. Let's sing this song together.
A long, long time ago, when Abraham was old, God promised him a great big family. It seemed too hard to do, too good to become true. Yet Abraham said, "Yes, God, I believe you can." What a man, Abraham, trusting God when he can't understand. What a man, Abraham, man oh man, I want to have faith like Abraham, as well as family. God promised land and trees, a special place to call his very own. So Abraham had to go to see his promised home. And Abraham said, "Yes, God, I believe you can." What a man, Abraham, trusting God when he can't understand. What a man, Abraham, man oh man, I want to have faith like Abraham. Yes, I do. And lastly but not least, God said you will be blessed. Your name will be made great in all the earth. You'll be my special one. I'll bless the world through you. And Abraham said, "Yes, God, I believe you